Spin the wheel. And his old stupid nails really do hurt.
Okay, you got white. Baby white or coconut?
No.
You did not eat it. You did not.
No, you got it.
That's nasty.
It's not. It's a jelly bean.
That's nasty. What is that?
It's a jelly bean.
Then again.
Did it?
You didn't eat that, guy.
No, look, it's jelly bean.
I know it's nasty.
No, it's not.
Ben.
Spin, Daddy. Play right. Spin again. Okay, great.
Told you you